Hi guys, this is a quick video of me changing my new MacBook Air battery. I have this MacBook since 2012 and the battery is the same since then. I have charged it 1141 times. The capacity has dropped to 65%. The last few months I just used it on cable. The MacBook is super fast, works properly, and now I think it's time for a new battery. It's a 1.8 gigahertz i7 model, 4 gigs of RAM, and I have the OWC 480 gigabyte SSD installed. So the package has arrived. Let's see how it looks inside. So let's open up the package. It's quite well packed. The cardboard box. There's some protection in there. And here's the battery, guys. Oh, they have also given us some screwdrivers. It's a 4680 milliampere. And let's see how long this battery is going to work and how good it's going to work. So the first thing we need to do is off the computer, flip it around, and take out the Apple specific screws. Normal screwdrivers will not work. You need special screws for them. I already have a special pair. Anyway, the package also has screwdrivers, so there's nothing to worry. Let's open up the screws and see how it goes. So guys, I've taken out the screws. Most of them are same size. We have two larger ones down there. These ones go to the back of the laptop. These are the ones, this one and this one. It's on the back side of the laptop. So let's look how it looks inside. With the old MacBook models, you can just swap out the batteries quite easy. You have a few screws, the one up there, one. This is the second one. Then you go all the way to the right. There's one more here, one more there, and there's one in the middle. Where is it? There. There you go. So the older models, you just take out the screws, replace your battery. With the newer models, the batteries are glued into place. So this is my OWC 480 gigs SSD. It came with a 64 gig, and I've replaced the hard disk with a bigger one. It's working fast and snappy, and it's really good. I have this since 2012, sorry, and the SSD was purchased 1 year after. So the first thing we need to do is lift up this connector here. There we go. Now you can see the back side, how it looks. Let me undo the screws and get back to you guys. So guys, I took off the battery screws and I'm putting back the new battery in there. You have to be quite careful with this connection. Let me just put the camera down and try to fit it. So now the installation has been done, and let's have a look if it fires up. Looking good, guys. If anyone is wondering what's the snoring in the background, it's him down there. Password. And there it goes. Let's see what this is my bike, by the way. Okay, 7% charge remaining. Load cycle is 1. And the maximum capacity is 5000 mAh. Okay, let's see in a few weeks if it's still at 5000. I will keep you updated in the comment section. Hope you liked the video, guys. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Hope I could help you. Have a nice day. See you later. Bye bye, guys.